Are you tired of generating this to your WhatsApp and suddenly you see you have get banned or you are using your TikTok for your marketing tools, right? So try and use this email marketing, right? Which you have access to everything that you are doing and control all your messages or everything. You have access to it and it cannot delete because email is something that only you have access to all your things that you are doing on it, right? So I want to show you this email marketing tools which I'm using right here, which is Mailer Rocket, right? So this email is simple to set up, right? So all what you need to do is to go to the description of this video, click on the link there, then register with the links. This platform have active 7.5k active campaigns, right? They have 11 years of experience. How does this platform works? All what you need to do is to add your customers to marketing email list, then pick an email template, then schedule the email. That's what you need to do. So just go to the description of this video, click on the link to get started right now. So this is the best email marketing that I've ever seen. Okay, so if you want full tutorial on how to set up these tools, go to my channel right now and see the video on email marketing and how to set up the autoresponder. You first click on video and watch the video from the beginning to the end to understand how to set up these tools. And this website, this email marketing tools is the cheapest email that I've ever seen. Okay, you can start with $13.99, which is extra $14 to get started right now. For the basic plan is $47, and for pro plan is $160. And for a small business or someone that is just starting your email marketing, then you can start with this data, right? Which is one that I'm using and it's working perfect, right? So don't forget to like this video if it's helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? So go share these videos with others.